So as per the current level of air quality index in the Byrnihat is 130, which is moderate, and the same thing can be verified by the Samir app, which is developed by the Central Pollution Control Board, which gives the uh, hourly updates, real time data of National Air Quality Index. As per that record, it is 130. And same time, we also have established continuous ambient air quality monitoring station at Byrnihat from Meghalaya side, and also Assam side also one is already operation. So the data is linked to the Samir app, and the Samir app shown this of 130. Whereas ours is also almost of same data, it is confirmed, and of course, yeah, our data is also confirming the same. We have our four air quality monitoring stations, which is manually we can collect the data. As per that, it is showing 103 of our. We used to compile data from for the calendar year. In the year 2025, our air quality index is only 103. So it is 100 to 200 is moderate. So as per current status is moderate only, not much polluted. Of course, we have taken numerous actions, like we have insisted all the pollution industry in the Byrnihat area. Due to all these actions, the pollution level has come from the poor status to one point of time it has been means projected as most polluted city in the country. Now it has become from poor status. Now it has become moderate. So this is the current status. From Meghalaya side, based on the data recorded from Caspas Byrnihat, which is in Assam side, which are established from Assam side, and our manual data and manual air quality data recorded by our Pollution Control Board, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, and also we also have established continuous ambient air quality monitoring station in the Byrnihat area itself from Meghalaya side. So all is confirming only it is moderate. But however, this data is it is this is based on the Byrnihat of Assam side. So Byrnihat of Assam side, maybe they should have mentioned as a Byrnihat instead of Byrnihat. So Byrnihat means they'll say always like Meghalaya. So Assam side is called as a Byrnihat, Byrnihat. Maybe they mentioned Assam side. Maybe it is not pertaining to Meghalaya. So maybe Meghalaya side is as per our records, and also the record to maintain the records of continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Byrnihat of Assam side also showing the same record of this zone. Like today's air quality index is 130 only. So it is moderate.
It is improving, yeah.
It is improving because last 6 months, one or two times, maybe due to some reasons, it has spiked to little poor status beyond 200, and now it is always like if you see the records of Samir app, it's showing like moderate. So now it is improved a lot.